Hello everyone. What if I told you that the government can build a highway without spending a single rupee? This is how the build, own, operate, and transfer procurement method works. The BOOT model, which stands for Build, Own, Operate, Transfer, is a specialized type of public private partnership. It is mainly used for large scale, capital intensive infrastructure projects. Under this model, a private entity is responsible for building and owning the facility, then operating the facility for a long term concession period. The concession period typically ranging from 20 to 40 years. After this period, the ownership is transferred back to the government or public authority. Boot procurement method allows government to attract the private investment while ensuring the infrastructure ultimately serves the public. Let's understand this procurement further. Under build, the private entity takes responsibility for designing, financing, and constructing the infrastructure. Under owning, the legal ownership still with the private entity during the concession period. Under the operation, the private company manage day-to-day operations and maintenance, ensuring the asset is functioning efficiently. Under the transfer, at the end of the concession period, the infrastructure is handed back to the public sector, typically at no cost, by completing the cycle. This is how the full cycle of the procurement works under the boot procurement. The boot model is widely applied to sectors that require significant investment and long term management. The typical application includes under the transportation sector, toll highways, bridges, and airports. In the energy sector, it includes power generation plants and renewable energy farms. Utilities like water treatment and desalination plants also coming under the broad procurement method. Under the social infrastructure like hospitals and large university campuses. So these projects benefit from private sector efficiently while ultimately serving the public interest. Smart governments doesn't spend money. They create systems that make money for them. That's how the boot procurement method works. In the boot model, the government identifies a need and a private company. The private company then invests to build the project. The company owns and operates the infrastructure for a certain period of time, earning the revenue during this concession period. At the end, the asset is transferred back to the government, ensuring public benefit and sustainable infrastructure for the future. Thank you for watching. I hope this gave you a clear understanding about the boot model and how it helps to build sustainable infrastructure.